Climate change happening now in both global warming because of humans and also weather patterns changing because of the global warming. Global warming is the temperature of earth's surface, oceans and atmosphere going up since people started burning a lot of coal. Average temperatures today are about 1 degree Celsius higher than before people started burning a lot of coal around. But in some parts of the world it is less than this, and some more. Most climate scientists say that by the year 2100 temperatures will be 200 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius higher than they were before 1750. The change people can see most easily because of this increase in temperature is the melting of ice caps all around the world. Sea level is rising for two reasons. One reason is because of ice on land, like Greenland, melting into the sea. The other reason is because of water getting bigger when it gets warmer. Many cities will partly flooded by the ocean in 21st century. Global warming is mostly because of people burning things like gasolines to make cars go and natural gas to keep houses warm. But the heat from the burning itself only makes the world a tiny bit warmer. It is the carbon dioxide from the burning which is the biggest part of the problem. Among the greenhouse gases, the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is the main cause of global warming. 100 years ago, confirming the work of Joseph more than 200 years ago when people burn fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. This adds carbon dioxide into the air. This is because fossil fuels contain lots of carbon, and burning means joining most of the atoms in the fuel with oxygen. When people cut down many trees, this means less carbon dioxide is taken out of the atmosphere by those plants. As the earth's surface temperature becomes hotter, the sea level becomes higher. This partly because water over 4 degrees Celsius expands when it gets warmer. It is also partly because warmer temperature makes glaciers and caps melt. The sea level rise cause coastal areas to flood. Weather patterns includes where and how much rain or snow there is are changing. Deserts will probably increase in size. Colder areas will warm up faster than warm areas. Strong storms may become more likely and farming may not make as much food. These effects will not be the same everywhere. The changes from one area to another are not well known.